What's going on there, Lions? Let's take a look at pound yen. All right. Done analysis on this a number of times already. Already showed you this long time trend line that has been on the weekly time frame. And you can see price has come to a very interesting point. Let's take a closer look at that. All right. All right. You see this impulse. It's a thing of beauty. All right. But we know these kind of things come to an end at some point, right? So we see it find some support here. So it looks like a pause and then continue up. And you can tell the way this bullish candle is moving, it's probably going to break that high here. It's probably going to break that high right here. So why is it so interesting? Because this was on a lower time frame, I think it was a 4-hour, you could find a supply zone here. All right, but being that it's about to be violated, we can just nix that one, right? And we can go up to this one. This is a 4-hour supply zone that it is heading towards. Look at how price acted when it was here. Dropped. Then it came up for a test at the door, what I call the door, the beginning of the supply zone, and then it dropped from there. All right, very strongly. Look at where it ended up. So you know when it heads up into this zone, it's going to have a lovely reaction of some point, of some kind. I want to also point out there's a trend line here, the long time trend line that I pointed out earlier. That's in the exact same zone, exact same place. Now, I don't think when you look at it, I don't think, because it was already tested at the door, I don't think we're going to get that big reaction from there. All right, we're going to get probably price to, we'll probably get price to do a little something like this, right? And then it's going to find its way up to the middle of the zone. Why the middle? Because when you refine these zones, the supply zone, if you go down to, say, the daily, you can see very clearly that is, why do I do that? Sorry. You can see that is the beginning of another supply zone. All right. When you have a supply zone from a lower time frame embedded in a larger time frame, it makes that time frame, that lower time frame, it makes it amazingly powerful. Okay. So I have it here. I have the line where the door of this this 4-hour, this daily supply zone. We go back to the weekly. So that's where I'm expecting price to have its reaction. I want to see a wick to that area. Okay. All right. I'd like to see a wick up to that area, and then a lovely wick down. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, I see. We got some jive over here. Okay. All right. And so I'm expecting price to come up here, touch right at where the trend line and the supply zone converge, giving us some confluence of resistance, and then maybe coming on down. All right. So what level are we looking at? We're looking at right around 155, call it 155.50. All right. I'll write it down. 155.50. All right. And we'll be looking for that. And we're going to keep our eye on it. That's not going to happen today or tomorrow because this is the weekly, but this is something to keep an eye on. It's something in development. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll keep my eye out for more uh, uh, relevant and more, more the ones that are going to happen intraday today and tomorrow. Uh, this is not a good day to trade. Let me tell you that, because of the end month flows. You're going to have a lot of book uh, keeping going on, and this is not a great time to be trading. If you're going to trade, take scalps. Those are going to be the safest. All right. Trade safely. I'll talk to you later.